Hi students, this is Mr. Lee again in front of you. Today we are going to use adjectives as our listening practice. What is an adjective? Adjective is that which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. So let us begin with the adjectives. Like Ram is tall. Rita is intelligent. This cap is black. You are fat. The road is wide. My pen is red. This roof is high. That girl is ill. This box is strong. This flower is yellow. Seema is beautiful. They are kind. Now students, we will listen the use of the or the. The is pronounced the before consonants and the is pronounced the before vowels. Let us use it. First of all, we will know where to use the or the. It is used before any special post, things, objects, animals, stars, planets, anything you find special. So we will listen it and we will follow it and we will use it in our day-to-day life. Let us begin. Like, the earth is round. That is the moon. The headmaster is young. Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Who is the Chief Minister of Jharkhand? The poor are happy. The rich are honest. The coat of this man is red. The lion is the king of the forest. The river was not deep. The car was not old. The doors of this room are big. The water of this river is clean. The people of my village are hardworking. The teachers of this school are very good. The color of my car is black. The gate of the school is new. So this way we can use the or the. Now let us listen the uses of over, under, of, behind, between, in front of. The bridge is over the river. The boat is under the bridge. This is the roof of the house. Ajay is behind Hari. Rajiv is in front of Raju. Rekha is between Manju and Ajay. This boy is between Ram and Shyam. That basket is on the table. The fan is over our head. This boy is behind me. This is the office of the school. You are behind me. The cat is under the bed. My watch is between your book and pen. This is the fan of that hall. The tree is in front of the house. This is the house of my friend. The playground is in front of the school. The river is behind my home. So this way you can use these prepositions. Now we will learn and listen the uses of its and at. This is a table. This is its leg. This is a room. These are its windows. The hand of the watch is at 6. Now it is at 7. This is a pen and this is its nib. That is the kitchen. This is its door. I am at the blackboard. Now the big hand of the watch is at 3. Now the small hand of the watch is at 6. The teacher is at the table. This is a coat and this is its pocket. So dear students, this way if you listen it properly and try to understand, obviously listening practice will help you a great lot. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.